cards, right? They're all different, right? You can see that, yeah? Do me a favour, I'll give them a quick mix-up. All I want you to do is choose a card. Don't let me see it. Show it to everyone else. I'll look this way. Okay, anyone you like. Anyone.
This one's the best.
Okay, don't let me see it. Show it to everyone. I won't look. Okay, I'll take the card. Now look, think of the card. Remember the card. Don't forget it. Watch. We'll cut it like this. So it's roughly about the middle, right? Okay? Yeah? No funny moves. All I want you to do is think about your card. You remember what it is, yeah? Yeah. Okay, let's try this. Think about your card, yes? Wait. The 10 of hearts, is that right?
Yes.